DJ Delz.
Funko Pop Addicts was really good. We got a brand new package in the mail that I am so happy to unbox with you all. I hope you all are doing great out there. And this package, I've been waiting for about a week and a half. I ordered around Black Friday, and I can't believe I was able to order this because I am a huge fan of the Notorious B.I.G. I don't have the ones that released years ago, but I did pick up the King of New York one, that's what I nickname it, and then the Juicy one, the Biggie Juicy, is basically what I call it. He's wearing that jersey that he wore in the Juicy video. But there was this Toy Tokyo exclusive where he's got this red leather jacket, and I really, really wanted it, and it looks to be in awesome condition. Came in this soft plastic case to protect it, and now I have all three of the biggies that released this year. I know you guys want to see it out of the box, including myself. Bang that thumbs up button, please, right now. Show that support, and we'll get into a detailed look at all three of them. Bang, 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 he's out of the box. What they did basically is they grabbed this Funko Pop and threw the sunglasses from that Funko Pop, because the glasses are the same. Well, actually, they're a little bit different. This one got more of a glossy. This is more of a matte finish. You have hits of black right there. It's completely gold by the hinges. So I'm glad they did little differences with the actual shades. I think they look incredible, all of them. Must-haves for me. Huge Biggie Smalls fan. Grew up in New York. Lived in New York almost all my life. So, you know, Biggie is near and dear to my heart. And just getting close up. I love how you can see through the sunglasses to his eyes. I think that's great. Great details. The paint is pretty good. It's not amazing. I mean, you know, up by the crown, going to his actual head. Slightly sloppy, but I've seen a lot worse. I just like to really review these Funko Pops. That's just me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave in the comment box below your favorite Biggie Smalls joint. Mine is definitely Gimme the Loot. I love Gimme the Loot. I just love how he plays like two different characters on the song. Supposedly, it was a reference track for him and Diddy to do. I don't know if that's true or not. It's just rumors that I heard throughout the years. But that's my favorite record. I love Sky's the Limit too, as far as like more of a record with a meaning to it. I just think Sky's the Limit is a great song. Juicy. I mean, Biggie can't do no wrong. Everything he released was on fire. And let me know in the comments your favorite out of these three. You like the King of New York one? That's what I'm nicknaming it. Or do you like the Toy Tokyo? Or do you like the Juicy version the best? Leave that in the comment box below. One thing I noticed, which is weird, is how much taller these guys are versus this one. And I don't think it's just the crown, you know, that's making them look taller. But I think it's actually the head, too. The heads are bigger than this one. It's like this is like Biggie when he was younger, you know? And then he got bigger. I don't know. Tell me if I'm not bugging or not. Doesn't this head look smaller than these two? Let me know your thoughts. Thumbs up the video if you love Funko. Make sure to subscribe. And I got my new t-shirt. Pick one up today. That will be linked in the description box below. Support the channel by picking one up today. Fits true to size, ships worldwide. Ships all over the world. So I know we have a lot of people over the world that watch this channel. Pick one up today. Link will be in the description box. Happy hunting out there. And please leave a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just write I love Funko. It helps my channel so much. The comments and the thumbs ups. Much love out there. We out, baby.